Okay, so I've installed a firewall, I've implemented security procedures, and I've educated the end users. Checkmate, hackers!
Not quite, Bob.
Why, it's Matt Lee, CISSP. He's the Director of Tech and Security at Iconic IT and man about town.
So why did you blurt out my title and... Never mind. My point is that cybersecurity isn't a finite game like chess. It's an infinite game.
Dude, you're gonna make me learn now, aren't you?
No, it's actually pretty cool. Normal games have rules, identified numbers of players, a clear set way of scoring, and most importantly, a beginning and an end. Finite.
Like Battleship, right?
What is it with you and Battleship? But yeah, I guess. But cybersecurity, and actually business in general, doesn't. We don't know who the bad guys are. The rules change every day as they find new ways to attack, and there's no end to the game. If we catch and put bad guys in jail, more will pop up. If we stop technologies that are used against us, more will pop up.
But I installed the latest.
It doesn't matter. Every day the bad guys find new ways to get into existing technologies, new ways to fool even the smartest employees, and every new technology creates equally new ways for the bad guys to get in that grows exponentially.
Curse you, hackers!
Actually, it's not just cybersecurity. Most of business is some form of an infinite game in general. Politics, life, well, with some finite aspects. But history is full of times where people thought the game was over and it really wasn't, or it had changed. And that can be really expensive.
So I can never be done updating cybersecurity?
Honestly, you're never done.
Okay, but in the meantime...
Geez, I gotta run.
All kidding aside, the infinite game concept is a great way to think strategically about cybersecurity, business, politics, and more. Simon Sinek wrote a great book on it called, oddly, The Infinite Game. Feel free to write me some infinitely long comments below, and thanks to Matt Lee for joining in.